for power with. When it strap you off, new for walk with.
Hey guys. Oh my god. So today is Friday. I think it's May 15th maybe, or 16th, I don't know. It's Friday. But literally today is the first day I felt like some sense of normalcy. Like there are cars on the road. I went today and I got like an antibody test. I don't know if you can see like the bloodshot thingy in my arm. But I got the antibody test because I just want to know whether or not I can stop living my life in fear. Because I feel like for the last 2 months, my life has been taken over by fear. Like, I'm just like, yo, I don't want to get this. I feel like if I were to get it, I'd be okay. But I worry about like my sisters, you know, because they have asthma. I worry about my dad because he's older. I'm just like, I don't want to be that person. I don't want to be the person to expose them to it, you know? So I've been just really trying to stay clear of becoming infected, basically. But today, an opportunity presented itself for me to get tested for the antibody test. So I went, and like I said, there were cars on the road, unlike the other times that I've been out during this whole quarantine thing. I feel like every other time I've been out, the roads have been completely empty. I'm like, what's going on? I feel like it's like living in the world of The Walking Dead, minus the zombies. But yeah, so I did that, came back just in time to do my staff call. We do 2 Zoom calls a day. So we have a meeting in the morning at 9:45 just to address what we're going to be doing throughout the day. And then we have a recap meeting, end of day meeting at like 5:45. So I got home just in time for that. Then I went to go pick up my seafood platter from Nini. When I tell you the platters are the bomb, like they're the bomb. They are the bomb. So I just got one for myself. I got one for my dad. And yeah, Miles is here. I don't know if you guys can see him in my lap, but he literally was over there in the seat. But just enough, very plenty. So he has to be in my lap. So this is me like trying to drive with him sitting in my lap. He's so silly. Yeah, so I'm on my way home now. I'm gonna go home, enjoy my platter, and yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of my day. I may do a live, or I may record something for the channel, because I literally haven't put anything up since my last trip back from London and to Atlanta. I did do a live, but it was like somewhat of a disaster. Like I kept trying to do it. I was trying to do it for like 2 hours and it was just not working. Finally, it like worked at like after 11 at night, when obviously not a whole lot of people are up. But I did it. I told everyone that was on that I was not going to save it, only because it was a little bit of a clusterfuck. So I didn't save it. I deleted it. And then I also filmed a review video for this blonde wig that I was rocking in that live, and I freaking deleted it on accident. I'm so upset. Like I went to go edit it the next day and I'm like, what the hell? There's nothing on the camera. And yeah, I actually did. I did delete it. So I need to refilm that whole thing. I was looking into whether or not I can get it back, because I haven't recorded. I haven't taken any more pictures or done any new videos on the camera. So supposedly I can get it, but the softwares that I've been coming across is like $80, and I'm like, do I want to pay $80 for something that I likely use one time, because this will never reach me again, ever. It was just, I don't know, maybe it's because I was wearing the damn blonde wig. I had a blonde moment, literally, because my camera is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth enabled, or whatever. So I took the photos off the camera. Put them on my phone because I wanted to upload them. And I'm like, oh, like I have this habit of like leaving everything on my memory cards. Like I need to start deleting shit. So me thinking, oh yeah, I already took what I needed off, completely forgetting that the damn video was on there, I deleted everything absentmindedly. So that not reached me again. Oh, what the hell was that? That not reached me again. So yeah, on my way home now. When I get home, I will show you guys my platter. All right. All right, guys. So let's see what my platter looks like. Oh my God! He gave me the wrong thing, you guys. I did not order salmon. I did not order salmon. I do not like to get salmon from people because it's not, most people don't buy wild caught salmon. It should have been a snapper and crab legs. Oh my God! All right, guys. So I stopped pretty abruptly because I'm so upset that it's not the right platter. I ordered crab legs with a snapper. Obviously, this is a lobster tail with salmon. So I just called them. They said to bring it back. So I'm going to pack it back up and bring it back. So I'm off, you guys, to go pick up my actual platter that I ordered. I'm driving my dad's car because my car is in the yard in the driveway. It was blocked in. I didn't feel like moving it. So me and this monstrosity. There's the other plate over there. I'm wondering, what are they going to do? Are they going to take it back or are they going to throw it out? Is somebody going to eat it? Like, what's going to happen? Because I'll pay half price for it because I'll eat the lobster tail, but I'm not eating that salmon. I don't eat farm-raised salmon. And you can tell the difference between farm-raised salmon and wild-caught salmon. Auntie Marcia! I just saw Uncle Wendy's wife. Ah, I'm so ghetto. Ah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go exchange this and see what I can do, barter, if I can barter for that one. I can't even give it to my sister who eats salmon, is not as particular as me because there's shrimp in the platter. And she will swell up like a bullfrog if she eats anything that's been close to shellfish. All right, you guys, so this is the proper plate. We've got plantains in there. We've got the festival, my crab legs, and my fish. This is what I ordered. Yay! Hey, guys. So it's me and the sissy. Hey, Sima. Me and Sima here, we just made it to Whole Foods to do some shopping, and we are in a ridiculous line. That's the line in front of us. Probably have about 20 people in front of us, but we drove all the way to Westchester for this, so definitely gonna wait. So we finally made it into Whole Foods, you guys. Organic pears, $1.99. I think I have like 3 of them at home, so I'm only gonna get 3. And this is what I picked up so far. I've got my blackberries, my blueberries, my strawberries, my raspberries, a box of mangoes. Isn't there a bigger one? A bigger one? Yeah. Something with more yellow on it.
Like this?
Is that okay?
Yeah, say it with more yellow than gold.
Oh. Pineapple, you guys. The bananas.
You got banana earlier.
Okay. And then I just made my shrimp. I don't need anything else. I need to get some of these. No. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one, you guys. Shell on blue shrimp. It's $16.99, but I have Amazon Prime, so I'm gonna get 30% off. And what I love about Whole Foods is that they clean it for you. Yes. Yeah. Can I have 2 pounds of this, and I'd like it clean? You're not cleaning them? Why? Oh no. These are farm raised. Yeah, the ones that are clean are farm raised. That's ridiculous. I'm pissed off. So tell me why I just literally went to go order my shrimp and I told them to clean it like I always do, because I always get my shrimp in Whole Foods. And they're telling me that because of what's happening, they're no longer cleaning seafood. Like, oh, y'all 60 on thing. Look at my sister, guys. This is how she comes out of her house, you know. Showing off all teeth ties, teeth ties, teeth ties. I'm telling you, así es como Tatiana, show off those teeth ties. Thank you. Oh, God.
Some black people ignorant, you know.
Why?
The girl. The
That was
lady
driving?
tell the yeah.
Yeah.
Said she like just go on. Like don't even say shit to me.
Oh, God. All right.
That was cool.
Yeah. The guy's nice, you see?
Yeah.
He's very nice. He gave me
Give
half
me
a
an
pound of
extra.
shrimp. He gave me
Yeah,
half a
that's
pound of
nice.
shrimp. He always takes care of me.
Just as some friends, but now at the end of we know the link if you come back.
I'm upset, you guys. First, I just dropped my sister off, but I just got the call back from the freaking doctors. And my antibody test was freaking negative. Like, I really wanted to come back positive because I really wanted to, like, know that I actually had the damn thing already. And that would give me some kind of, like, assurance that I'm semi-okay. Like, I would have already had the damn thing and obviously survived it. So it would give me a level of comfortability that I now don't have because it was negative. Damn. Oh my gosh. So annoying. So annoying. So it's back to being afraid again. Oh. Anyway, I just pulled up at the house. I'll open the gate, let myself in. Hey! And if you can't buy it up still, want a chicken back still. Nobody know but that dad. Well, if you can't buy it still, well, a chicken back. I wish I had an automatic gate like we do in Jamaica.
You lied to me. You lied to me.
I've been really into like planting stuff lately. Like I've been really trying to find my green thumb because it's never existed. So I planted this rose bush right here in this, I don't know what kind of pot this is, but in that. And we've got calla lilies, red calla lilies. We've got yellow calla lilies with the roses. I love how beautiful they look together. And I'm so amazed by how many of the buds have actually opened up. It's gorgeous. Over here in this pot, I have, that's Scotch bonnet pepper. And right here, I have peppermint. Just now at Whole Foods, I got, these are actually, I have another peppermint right here. And this is a basil that's not doing so well. But these I keep inside. I just take them outside to get sun each day. So that's probably why they're not doing well. I just picked this up at Whole Foods. It's a tomato plant. Caged tomato. Yeah. Yeah. So it comes just like that. And I like the fact that it has the cage because then that kind of helps to support the tomato as it's growing. So I think I'm gonna leave that on the steps right there, or maybe I'll find someplace else to put it. And in this pot I have thyme and 2 Scotch bonnet peppers again as well. So this is what I've been doing with my quarantine, you guys. I've been very busy. I've been very, very busy. I planted that as well. I need to do something with this garden, but all of these are new. Like this rose bush is new, and it literally was like 3 stumps about this height. You see the height of this one? It literally was this with this, like, and there's a third one somewhere else right there. See that? Yeah, and that's what it was when I planted it, with like little tiny like leaves on it. And it literally grew up like this in a couple weeks. Yeah, it grew really tall. I planted that. I think that's an azalea bush. I planted that as well. And I planted that rose bush over there. And I planted this thing right here. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with in here, if I need to buy wood chips or maybe some pebbles, which, I mean, I think we had pebbles in there like a long time ago, just to cover it up so it looks cleaner. Yeah, so I've been hella busy, but we're gonna go inside. Hey guys, all right, so I've just made it back from Whole Foods. I got a box of mangoes, Cara oranges. These are the oranges that are kind of like red inside or pink. Very sweet. I'm gonna pour these in a sink as well. And I saved my baggies for Miles as little gifts, you know. And I also got some navel oranges I got 2 grapefruits. 3 avocados. 2 pounds of wild caught shrimp. They're like the massive ones, the blue shrimp. Comes in this package right here. I'm gonna clean them when I'm done because I'm going to grill them so I can put them on my salad. A pound of salmon. 1.5 pounds of mahi. Right. I got some lemons. I got 4 of them. There. 3 packs of blueberries. And these are all organic, you guys. Oh, yeah, 3 packs of blueberries. 2 cartons of blackberries. 2 raspberries. 2 strawberries. I got 1 pineapple. Coconut chunks. Yummy, 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 yummy. I hate getting like pre-cut or pre-packaged like fruits, because I don't know what the conditions were when they were done, whether or not the person had a cut on his finger, whether or not he was picking his nose. Like, that just skeeves me out. So I much prefer to like buy my own fruits and make my own fruit salad. So I'm gonna wash the hell out of it. I got a carton of organic eggs, and I got 1 pack of naan. Love these for breakfast. I'll have this with like egg and avocado. Really, really good. So that's pretty much all I got today. Like, I didn't really need a whole lot of stuff because I did a pretty big shopping last week. So I have a lot of stuff still here. I just needed to re-up on my fruits, and like I said, I needed to get my shrimp. All right, so guys, so how I prepare or how I wash my fruits. I'll catch some water in the sink like so, and then I'll get my vinegar, distilled vinegar, and I will pour some into the water. Not that much. And I will wash them. I don't use soap. I know they do have like organic fruit soap and stuff like that, but I haven't really gotten into that. So I just washed it with water and vinegar, and then I put them out to dry. And then once they're dry, then I'll put them into my fruit thingy, which is still pretty much full. This is it. I've got these horrible looking bananas in there, but I've got some apples in there. I've got this dried up lemon and these pears. Oh my God, I need to make a smoothie. So I'll make a smoothie with those 2. But I had 1 orange left over, and I have some apples, some plantains, and you guys saw the mangoes before. Yeah. So yeah, this is how I do it. And then I just wash it, and I remove all the labels and all that stuff. It's hot. So look at the water, you guys. Do you see all the stuff in the water? You see how dirty they are? Yuck, 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 yuck. I'm about to wash these, put them away. After I've washed the mangoes, I'm going to wash all the berries in separate water. I'm going to get new water, and I'm going to wash all the berries. Yeah. Guys, so this is everything, all clean. They've been laid out to dry. It's really important that the berries are actually dry before you put them in the fridge. Otherwise, they will get mold on it. So these are gonna be out until later tonight. That's that. So we've got the strawberries, the raspberries, the blueberries, blackberries, everything else over there. I've never purchased a box of mangoes before. I'm wondering if I should keep this box, because for sure my fruit thingy won't be able to hold everything. Like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to hold 12 or 14 mangoes in here. Oh, by the way, I've got the mangoes in the dish strainer. So these are all clean. You'll notice that some of them still have the thingy on there. Reason being is that when I was trying to get them off, I actually punctured like 2 of the mangoes. So for me, it's not really worth it. So if I try and it's like giving me a hard time, I just leave it. So there you have it. They're just like hanging out to dry. All right, so the shrimp, I'm actually, how much did I buy? The guy gave me like, whatever, I'm not gonna say. But yeah, I got like 2.5 pounds here. I think I'm gonna do 1.5 pounds now. And I'm just gonna season it up, grill it. And yeah, so let me take that out. Massive, see that? Woo! Yeah, and I don't know. I don't know if I vlogged this, but yeah, like I never clean my own shrimp. I hate it. I've done it once before and I hate it, hate it, hate it. So I always go to Whole Foods because Whole Foods, they clean it for you. Apparently, because of what's going on, they're no longer cleaning shrimp. So I was very, very upset by that. But the guy hooked me up and he told me how to do it easily. So I'm gonna do about 1.5 pounds. Let's see. I want like a week's supply of salad. So like I have about 4 shrimp per salad. Obviously they're huge. So let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, do a little extra. So I'm gonna do that amount today, and the rest I'm going to put in the freezer. So I'm gonna tie this bag up, put it away. Okay. All right, so I hope you guys can see what's happening. But the guy told me to clean shrimp easily. You take a fork and you push it in the back like this. And you just basically run it along the back of the shrimp, all the way down to the tail, and then it'll be open like that, and you can just peel the shell off pretty easily. And look, it's clean. There's nothing in there. Wow. Okay. All right, so that's not so bad. Also in vinegar and water. I'm going to wash it again. While that's happening, I'm going to make some, I'm going to start boiling some yeah, because I want my dad to have something and he doesn't really. I want to make a plate for my dad and he doesn't really. He'll have a salad, but he doesn't really chew them. So I'm gonna make some saltfish. Probably ackee. I gotta see if I have any ackee. So I'm gonna boil the saltfish, and I think I have some food, so I'm gonna make some food with that. I'm gonna now put the rest of it back in the fridge, and then I'm gonna season my shrimp. Alright, so the shrimp is seasoned, you guys. This is about to come to a boil, and because the only thing I've had all day is a smoothie, a fruit smoothie, I'm going to have my leftovers from, ooh, how hot is this thing? Ooh, I'm gonna have my leftovers from yesterday. I got crab legs, oh, almost burnt. Got crab legs, fish, and shrimp, a little bit of pasta from Minnie's. I'm gonna have that while all this other stuff is happening. Okay, you guys, so here we have 3 fruit bowls. This is how I jumpstart my morning every day. I don't normally make more than 3 because if you make more than that, perhaps by the time you get to the 4th or 5th day, the fruits may have mold on it, because once you get them all mixed in like that, there is more moisture than there would be if I were to store them individually. So yeah, I normally start my day with fruits. So this is my breakfast for the next 3 days. We've got blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, mangoes, bananas, and strawberries. So I'm going to put the tops on these. I'll put them in the fridge. And then these I will package individually, as in blueberries with blueberries, raspberries with raspberries, strawberries with strawberries, etc., etc. All right, guys, here's something else that I've been doing for the last maybe 2 weeks or so. I've been doing my infused water with cucumbers, lemon, and mint. So I've got these 3 cups or 3 containers here. I've got 1 mason jar and my water bottle and my teeny bottle. They all have cucumbers in there. So I'm just gonna put the lemon in. Lemon. 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 Let's put more lemon in here. And I've got my peppermint. I showed you outside that my peppermint tree is relatively new, so I don't want to kill it or overdo it. So I just got like a few leaves. Put the big leaves in here. Put a few in here. Put a few in there. And then I'm just going to use the back of a spoon to just kind of muddle everything together. Okay. I just kind of take the back of the spoon right here and I just like kind of like beat everything just to get the mint all in there. Do the same thing for this one. Ooh. And then I add my water, put it in the refrigerator, and it's good in a few hours and even better overnight. Okay guys, so this is how I package my fruits, like this. This is how I store them. This is leftover pineapples from the last pineapple I cut up. I'm not ready to cut that one up yet, that one right there. And I cut up this papaya yesterday, so that's what's left. We've got the blackberries, raspberries, leftover strawberries, and blueberries. And over here, I've got the grilled shrimp. This is what I'll be adding to my salad. I will show you what my salad looks like because I'm actually going to have a salad tonight. So I'll show you what that looks like when I get to that. And I'm also making ackee and saltfish over here. There you have it. Yeah, this is my first time trying this particular brand of ackee Countryman. I'm not a fan of it because I feel like it was all mush. It literally was like all mush. I don't think I got like one whole ackee out of it. Yeah, no, I didn't like it. So that's there. I've got that on low simmering. And then over here, I've got squash and bananas. And I think I've got some potatoes in there. That's almost finished. And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna make my salad and come back to you guys. Guys, so I'm done meal prepping. And this is normally what my fridge looks like with my meal prep. So we've got all the fruits over here. I've got the shrimp. I've got some fruits down there. I've got some plum tomatoes here. And I've got the salads over there, my arugula, my water, and miscellaneous items up there. So we are all set with that. I'm done. Look at Miles, it's so cute. And then this is what my salad looks like, you guys. So we've got spring salad, we've got baby spinach, and we've got arugula. We've got fresh sweet peppers, we've got tomatoes, and we've got my scrimp. So this generally this fills me up. It looks like a lot because it's a lot. But guys, listen, these things run right through you. So I stuff my face silly when it comes to my salad. And this is gonna be it for the night. And this is going to be it for the night. With respect to the fruits, I try not to have fruits past 12 noon. So all my fruit intake is from the moment I get up until around lunchtime. Then I stop and then I move on to whatever lunch is going to be. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing for the next couple weeks because I did gain some corona weight and I need to get rid of it. I need to lose it all. So this is it. I will check back in with you guys later. By the way, just in case you guys are wondering, this food, you probably wondering like, well, why did she make all that food? Like, what's she gonna do with that food? So this food I made so my dad can have a plate. My dad will have a salad if I give it to him, but he doesn't prefer salad like most of us. And it won't keep him. Like, he'll probably be hungry like an hour. So I made the typical Jamaican dish, just whatever I showed you guys earlier, food with the ackee and saltfish. So I'm gonna give my dad a plate of that, and whatever's left, I'll have for the morning. I'll have some in the morning for breakfast. I'll have a hearty breakfast. I'm very Jamaican. I believe in a very hearty breakfast on Sundays. On Sundays. But yeah, that's that.
Them man they no sell out, them thief and go sharp. Make